Are you wondering if we can actually access Google Docs or maybe Word or Excel on the new Nintendo Switch 2? So when it comes to the official apps, when you go to the like store, basically there actually isn't any like these productivity apps that we could use. So which is absolutely ridiculous, since again we actually have like real decent power in this console, and also the screen size obviously is very nice. I guess there is actually maybe a workaround that we could maybe get like Google Docs to work, but again it probably won't be the best, but let me show you anyway. Since we can actually use like this hidden internet browser in this console. By the way, again, by default actually this console doesn't even have like internet browser, which is absolutely ridiculous, but let me show you basically what we can do. So we can go simply in the settings, in internet settings, click again internet settings, let it load your networks, okay, and simply click on the networks that you currently use. So the Wi-Fi network, click change settings, okay, and under DNS settings, click over here and set it as manual over here. And in the primary DNS, make sure to enter basically this over here. By default, it's 000, but I see what I have entered basically. So enter this IP address essentially. So yep, simply copy and paste, include those dots as well. Then click OK, click Save. Okay, yep, and we're going to reconnect to our network. By the way, also sometimes this process kind of fails, so we have to try like 2 times. Let's see if it works. So connect to this network and let's see. Okay, so yep, it actually worked. So this is a prompt you should see. This network requires user registration. If you see something else, basically go back and try to tap again, basically to join it. So we are going to simply click OK and see, yeah. So you can see where it actually leads us. So over here, for example, we can enter any like websites that we want to access, or maybe go to Google directly. So this is kind of like a very bare bones browser that we can use. So over here, we can maybe enter like Google Docs. Maybe again there is some other service online that let us allow basically view our files. So you see basically you have to actually log in over here, so with your Google account. So I probably won't show you that, but you see basically, yeah. So basically, as you see, yep, so maybe this is actually a better link over here. So we can simply sign into our Google Docs and we should be able to like use it in the web browser mode. So I think that should work fairly okay, I guess. So yep. So by the way, again, remember when you like finish your work and you want to get normal access to internet basically on your Switch, so when you go back, it actually won't work. You actually have to go back in those DNS settings and set them back to automatic. So again, for the internet to work on your Switch. So again, remember, do that. So anyway, good luck.